friends, he loves it all. Froggy jumps with a mighty flowing, landing in puddles, splashy swing. Blue and green they hop with cheer. Tutu claps and calls them near. And Froggy and Tutu hand in hand, jumping around in a muddy land. Smiles and giggles in the rain, playing together again and again. Tutu finds a fish so bright, holds it gently, eyes so wide. Froggy claps and takes a peek. Wow, he says, it's shiny and sleek. Tutu smiles, sits on a stone. Froggy taps a fish alone. Raindrops dance on leaves and dream, best friends under the forest canopy. Joyous the forest canopy.